Hello everyone, my name is Saurav Shandilya. I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I have done my BSc from BBMK University Dhanbad in 2023. After then I was searching for the job opportunity and I go to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd by my friend. At Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, I did my IT internship program and go to know about many topics related to IT like basic networking, virtualization, Windows administrators, Windows Server, CCNA, ITIL. After then, I'm preparing for the job interview and I got selection for the team computer for 2.48 LPA. So I especially thanks all Evision faculty who can guide me very well and support me till last date of clearing this interview. So thanks to all. Thank you.